Just over a year ago, I was struggling to make consistent income online until I discovered these 5 game-changing secrets that completely transformed how I earn. Now I earn $6,000 a week or more. I'm sharing exactly what I learned and wish I actually knew a lot sooner, so you can start making money online in 2025 without all the trial and error and lumps and bumps that I went through. I'm going to save you a bit of that time. So if you're feeling stuck, ready to build something and get momentum online this year, you're in the right place. So grab your cup of tea or coffee, whatever you like, because what I'm going to share with you in this video completely changed my life. My name's Wendy. I'm a grandma from Ontario, Canada, and my online journey started about 6 years ago, actually. I was trying to figure out how to make money online because I wanted a different way to earn. You see, we were stupid short for retirement. When I became a grandma, I wanted more time to be a grandma. But sadly, we got our financial act together late, so that meant I would more than likely need to work well past 65. I was buying kind of course after course, trying this strategy and that strategy, and overall losing money on my journey, kind of chasing a little bit of that shiny object syndrome. I was hoping something would finally click. Then in February of 2024, I learned from this exact blueprint strategy, these 5 secrets I'm going to share with you today that radically changed how I made money. That's when I found a complete program that actually taught me the skills to make money online the right way, and that was a complete game changer. Learning the skill set of digital marketing changed the game for me. I went from working full-time and likely needing to work well past retirement to retiring at 55 years of age, because in just over a year, I've made over $670,000 as a complete beginner and a grandma with a business that runs while I'm living life. If you're over 40, 50, or heck, 60 or more, it does not matter your age. It's never too late. These 5 secrets are exactly what I wish someone would have shared with me years ago. So let's dive in. Secret number 1, learning digital marketing. This is the skill of the decade. The internet is not going away, my friends. If anything, it's growing. If you learn to market online, you will never be broke again. If you want to make money online, you need to learn the skills of digital marketing. I'm talking real consistent money online. You've got to learn the skill set of digital marketing, period. Why? Because if you learn digital marketing, you can promote anything, any product, any service, any business. It's like giving yourself a money-making superpower. You can do affiliate marketing, you can resell digital courses, you can promote your own thing, but the skills of digital marketing are what keep everything afloat. I actually took this skill set that I learned when I was still working at my 9-to-5, applied it to their brick and mortar business, increased their profitability by 30%. This is the power of digital marketing, and when you learn this skill set. Forbes has predicted this, that digital marketing is rising. So this is what is core that people need to learn. People who apply what they're learning in programs that, like what I took, are making anywhere from $100 to thousands of dollars a day. And that's actually without dancing on TikTok, unless you want to. I mean, I've done that with my grandkids and I've lived to tell about it. The good news is you do not need to be tech savvy. It's been made so much simpler than it was years ago with systems and programs that help even us non-techies to start learning this skill set and create an income in the online space. I personally just followed a blueprint. So if I can learn it in my 50s, trust me, so can you. If you're thinking, okay, this makes sense, I want to see how this all fits together, grab my Freedom Formula blueprint. You're going to see it in the descriptions below here. Is the exact guide that I followed to get started, and it breaks it all down step by step. The next few secrets that I'm going to share are really what helped me connect the dots. But secret number 5, that is the one that flipped the whole script. It's what helped me stop spinning my wheels and actually started me making money. Secret number 2, leverage automation. This is like your digital sales team that never sleeps. Something that runs for you 24/7. This right here, this is what separates the hustlers from the freedom seekers. Automation is the reason that I could be out at the trailer walking my dog, having some fun with my grandkids, or off on a Thursday afternoon drive with my husband and still make sales. When you have an automated system, we call it my freedom machine, it's like multiple little Wendy's out there working 24/7. Well, this Wendy is out enjoying life. This is how I grew my 6-figure business while still working my 9-to-5, by automating the selling process. And especially now that I've left my 9-to-5, it's what truly gives me my time freedom back. Without automation, you'll stay stuck in hustle mode. But with it, you get your time and your sanity back. Okay, secret number 3 is selling digital products with a master resale rights. What if you can make 100% profit from a product or program that you didn't even create? That's what I did. I bought a digital learning program that taught me everything, like literally everything about online business. And then I could turn it around and resell it once I got certified right here. Like you get your certification and then you're able to resell the exact learning program for 100% profit. No inventory, no shipping, no customer service headaches. And the bonus, it came with live coaching, live mentorship, and live tech support. People in this program are making $300, $600, $900 a day. And that's US. I'm a Canadian, so that's like a bazillion. And the best part is you don't need to be an expert. It is designed for complete beginners like you and me, like total newbie. You learn and then you earn. I spent years buying random courses that honestly left me more confused than confident. But this one was completely different. It was a complete business in a box, and it actually worked. So if you're a visual learner like me and you want to see exactly how this business runs behind the scenes, be sure to check out the free class that I have, webinar, in the description below. It walks you through the full strategy. It's what I wish I had years ago. Secret number 4, choose one thing and stick with it. The online space is full of shiny objects. Wait, is that a squirrel? I get it. Every day there's like a new trend. Dropshipping, print on demand. I got the t-shirt on that one. Crypto, I have no clue even what that is. You name it. But listen, none of that matters if you're consistently starting over again at the beginner. You start getting some traction in something and then you jump ship and start something new, right? You're always starting at the beginner, and that's not going to get you further ahead. Okay, you ready? Here's another little secret. Come here. All right, each of these trends and ways to make money, you also need to learn the skill set of digital marketing so that you can promote your offer, because you need to drive traffic to whatever it is that you're selling. And that's exactly what digital marketing is. So I refer back to my first secret. I stuck with one proven strategy. I didn't reinvent the wheel. The key to making money online isn't finding new ways or new ideas. It's picking one that works and putting your blinders on and going all in. Okay, this next secret is by far the biggest secret that impacted my life. Stop trading time for dollars. Stop trading time for money. If you want real freedom, you can't keep trading your time. You can't keep selling your hours. You need to leverage. With digital products, automation, and content that drives traffic 24/7, you're finally able to stop trading time for money. That's when business truly grows without you being stuck and glued to your phone. I built a business in 2 to 3 hours a day, all around my 9-to-5 job. Now it runs for me 24/7. You weren't created to just work, pay bills, and repeat. That never-ending gerbil wheel. You were made for more, and this is your way out. If you're ready for the next step, I've got 2 things for you. My Freedom Formula Blueprint, totally free in the link below. A class where I show you in real life how this business system actually works. Yeah, even if you're not techie, and even if you've never made a dime in the online space before. So you don't need to have it all figured out, thank goodness. You just need to take the first step. Start learning a skill set. We can teach our 55-year-old brain new tricks. Plug into the right system and let automations do all that heavy lifting for you, all that selling. If this Canadian grandma can build a freedom-based business in her 50s, why not you? So now you know the 5 secrets if you want to start making money in 2025. So you might be wondering how I actually use these to grow an income to over $650,000 in just over a year with no degree, no experience, and allowed me to retire at 55 years of age. Well, it all starts by watching this video right here, because when you pair that with what you just learned and what's in this video, it's so much more powerful. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.